I got something new today. Oh my gosh. I got a new Techno model. I am going to be putting this together here shortly, and I will show you guys the results. Oh man, it is so cool. It can be folded and moved into multiple different positions and styles, so it can be like a robot or it can be a helicopter. I can't wait to put this together. Stay tuned, follow to see the next step. And if you'd like to get one, the little orange buttons down there, we actually have them for sale.